Hello guys, JX from TechX here. So today we're gonna do a short video on how to set up your subwoofers. So at first, make sure everything is off. And then you plug in the power cord for the subwoofers. Okay. Next, you use a subwoofer cable. So from this end, you plug in from the subwoofer, from the amplifier sub out. So make sure to plug in here. And then next, the Y subwoofer cables. So you can see it's two. And then red and white, you just plug it in. That's all. Okay, it's in. So as you can see, there are two knobs here, one for the volume and one for the crossover frequency. So how do you tweak this is, you make sure to check your bookshelf speakers. So most of the bookshelf speakers has like maybe 80 to 100, the crossovers. So it won't play under there, so you can't feel the bass. So that you can tweak, maybe start from 80, and then it will start from 80 the sub lah. So the volume depends on your liking, how loud you want the sub to be. So make sure to don't overlap the sub crossover and the bookshelf, your speakers crossovers lah. So there's a button here. It says phase 0 or 180. So you choose between which one you feel which integrate better to your system, then you're good to go. Alright, so if you've done everything right, but there's still no signal from the subwoofer, you can check the apps from the amplifier and make sure the subwoofer setting is on. Right, and I hope this video helps, and make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I see you guys next time.